white to move and mate in 2. Can you find the winning move? Pause the video for a few seconds and try to see if you can find the winning move. Alright, let's go over some variations. Before that, let's show you the pieces on the board. We have the white king, the white rook, the white queen, and the white knight. Then for black, we have the black king, the black bishop, and we have 3 black pawns. And as you can clearly see, both the rooks and the queen are attacked, but white to move and mate in 2. Now the first move that I would suggest we look at is queen to d3. Queen d3 is threatening what? It's threatening mates on this board, on this square, sorry. It's threatening mates on this square. Now what can black play? Because this mate is coming and the escape square, which is this square here, is being covered by what? By the knights. As you can see, it's covered by the knights. So black can easily just take this pawn, whereby when you check the king here, he has what? An escape square, and that is not what? Mating 2. Now what other queen move can we make? We can make queen f5. What does this move threatening? It threatens what? This check, because the escape square, like I said, is being covered by the knights, so it's threatening what? Checkmate in what? In the next move. But likewise, if black takes this rook right now, guess what? There is checkmate on the board here. As you can see, queen to f8 checkmate. So what can black do in this position? Since the escape square, which is controlled by this knight, since the escape square on f is controlled by this knight, black can eliminate this knight, right? Whereby if you give this check, there's an escape square and there's no what? There's no mate in 2. Now another queen move that we can do is queen to h5. As you can see in this position, black does not have the luxury of taking this rook, because of what? The pawn is still being what? Is still being pinned to the king by the queen. And what is white threatening? White is threatening queen here to what? To give checkmate to the king, because the escape square is what? Is still being covered by the knight. But how can black respond here? You can just what? Take the knight, at least giving yourself like an escape square, and if white takes, it's no more mate in 2. White takes, black can even take, and it's not mate in 2, right? So what other queen move can we do here? We can do queen takes g7, threatening what? This bishop, whereby it should be a checkmate. And if black takes this, guess what? This is a checkmate on the board. So what can black do here? Black can what? Can give up his bishop for the knight, giving himself what? This square, right? So that if, I mean, let's look at this other move. Queen what? Queen takes g7, threatening the bishop and threatening checkmate on the board. But how can black respond here? Black can give up the bishop, whereby if the queen comes here for the check, you can give up back your bishop, and even though you are checkmating, but it's what the checkmating was in 3 moves rather than a checkmate in 2 moves. So we've exhausted all the queen move options. Now let's look at the knight options. How can the knight move? The first move I thought of was knight f6 check, right? Knight to f6 check, and you notice that this pawn cannot take this knight because it's what? It's being pinned by the rook to the king. So if black should decide to take with this pawn, guess what? This is a checkmate on the board. But I'm very sure black will not do this, right? Black will just what? Move his king, and there's no checkmate. Your queen is attacked, your knight is attacked, your rook is attacked, and there's no what? Checkmate on the next move. So clearly knight f6 does not what? It does not work. Nice move we can clearly move with the knight, apart from moving here, which just like you can just take the queen or take the rook, is knight to g5. But what does it do? This does nothing actually. You can just what? Take the queen and there is no what? Checkmate on the board. Now we've exhausted all the moves with our knight and our queen. Now we move to the rook. The first move I'll suggest you look at is what? Rook to d6. This is a very tricky move. This move is threatening what? Checkmate on the board in the next move, right? And if you decide to take the rook with your pawn, guess what? Queen here is what? Is also checkmate. As you can see, queen here is what? Is checkmate because the escape square has been what? Covered by the knight. So what can black do in this position? Black can what? Just once again take the queen, right? And you come here, there is no checkmate on the board. So we can see that this rook move, rook to d6, does not what? What other move can black decide to play in this variation? Black can decide to play f6, whereby this check is not a mate in what? In 2, right? So black can also decide to play e5, e6. I mean, he can also decide to play e5, whereby this also is not a mate in 2. Alright. So what other move can the rook make? The winning move to the winning move here is actually rook to f6. Rook to f6. Now let's look at the variations. If pawn takes the rook on f6, guess what? Queen to e4 is a what? Is a checkmate. And if the black pieces decide to take with this pawn, guess what? Queen takes bishop is also what? Is also a checkmate. So there is no matter how you move, is a checkmate. If the black decides to take the queen with this pawn, rook to f8 is what? Is a checkmate. And also in this variation, if black decides to take the knight with the bishop, okay, if black decides to take the knight with the bishop, guess what? Queen takes f7 here is a what? Is a checkmate. So the winning move to get the mate in 2 is what? Is rook to what? Rook to d6. Let me know in the comment section if you got this move, and make sure to like and subscribe for more chess videos. Thank you.